Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about how to become a cabin crew in India. Cabin crew are the associates of an air crew. Those are employed by various airlines. They are also called as flight attendants, air hostesses and cabin attendants. The primary role of a cabin crew is to ensure the comfort and safety of the passengers and to provide hospitality service in the airlines. They are also tasked with the customer service duties such as serving foods and drinks as a secondary job. Being a cabin crew is one of the best career opportunities for youngsters who just qualified their 12th examination and aspiring a career in the high-paying and fast-growing industry. The minimum qualification required to become a cabin crew is intermediate or graduation. There are various institutes in India offers diploma course after 12th in the field of aviation. Some of the airlines also provide 3 to 6 months of training. In order to be a cabin crew, you may have to pursue some diploma courses such as Diploma in Cabin Crew Services and Hospitality Management, Diploma in Airline and Travel Management, Diploma in Tourism Management, Diploma in Hotel Management, Diploma in Aviation and Hospitality Management, Diploma in Airline Cabin Crew, certificate courses in Air Hostess or Flight Purser. The duration of these courses may be from 12 months to 18 months. The airlines recruit students on the basis of some eligibility criteria such as age must be below 25 years, height should be 5.5 to 5.9 foot, weight should be in proportion to height, martial status should be unmarried, eyesight should be 20 by 30 vision or better. The student must be graduated or 12th or equivalent with 3-year diploma. The student must know national and one international language and no tattoos, piercings or wild hairstyles allowed in this job. Due to increase in new airlines in the aviation sector, the aviation industry is expanding. That's why the job opportunities of the cabin attendants are growing at a very fast rate. There are good career prospects and excellent growth opportunities for youngsters not only in India but also in abroad. The job profile of the flight attendants is very exciting. They can visit all over the world and see various cultures while earning a reasonably good salary at the same time. Cabin crew works in teams to make the passengers comfortable in the flight and to check the security of the passengers in the tough situations. They also make sure that first aid kits and other emergency equipment are on board and work properly or not. Cabin crew welcomes the passengers while they are boarding the plane, check their tickets and serves refreshments and food on their journey. They also educate all the passengers how to use the emergency equipments, supervise them in the seating arrangements and check the safety belt arrangements. Cabin crew are mostly employed by the commercial airlines. They can also work in private air transport companies. They can seek job opportunities in public and private sector. Top recruiters in this field are Indian Airlines, Air India, Jet Airways, Kingfisher, SpiceJet, Indigo and Sahara Airlines. They can also find jobs in private international airlines, private domestic airlines, airport ground staff, government international airlines and government domestic airlines as well. In India, cabin crew can earn a salary between 2.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh per year as a beginner in the public sector. In the private sector, the salary package is attractive. A head flight attendant is paid as per their experience. They can earn approximately 6 lakh per annum. The cabin crew member working with the international airlines, they can get salary in between rupees 9 lakh to 10 lakh per year. Some airlines offer an extra salary for working on off days. Cabin crew can usually work all the time in a day or in a night, weekends, etc. The working hour of the cabin crew is usually 9 to 12 hours a day. They can generally fly 36 to 50 hours in a week. So if you want to become a cabin crew, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.